In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Alt text, short for alternative text, is the written description that screen readers announce for visitors who can't see images. It's also what displays if an image fails to load, and it gives search engines important context about your content. Adding it takes just a moment and can make a big difference for accessibility and SEO. Start by logging into your Squarespace account so you're in your site's dashboard. From the main navigation, open your website so you can work inside the site editor. Once you're there, click Edit to enter the page editing mode. This is where Fluid Engine lets you move and customize blocks on the canvas. Find the image you want to update, click directly on that image section to select it. You should see the image block controls appear. Click the pencil icon, sometimes labeled Edit, to open the image settings panel. In the settings, look for the field called Image Alt Text. This is the dedicated place to write the description that will be read by assistive technologies. If you don't see it right away, it's usually within the content area of the image block settings. Now enter a clear, concise description of what the image shows and why it matters on the page. Aim to capture the essential details a person would need if they couldn't see it. For example, describe the subject, any notable action and context that's relevant to the surrounding content. Keep it natural, avoid keyword stuffing, and skip phrases like image of or picture of. Screen readers already convey that it's an image. Around 1 to 2 short sentences is plenty. Focus on being accurate and helpful. When you're satisfied with the description, click Save. That applies the alt text to the image block and preserves your page changes. The page will look the same visually, and the new description will be available to visitors using screen readers. Repeat the same process for any additional images you want to improve. Consistent, meaningful alt text helps all users understand your content and can improve how your pages appear in search results. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your site, enter edit mode, select the image, add the description in the image alt text field, and save your work. Thanks for watching and happy editing.